Okay, um, hello again, guys. Today we'll be looking at how to repair an headset. I actually don't know the name of this headset, but it's an headset. Yeah, it's an headset. But with this issue that I've gotten is that it's not turning on. So when it's like this, as you can see, it's not turning on. But look at this. Like this, it's turning on. So as you can see, there it is. So it's turning on there. So what could be the problem with this headset? Hmm. Seems to be like there's a shortage within this wire. So let's get started. In order for us to start on this, we'll need to pull here, which is first the cover of the muffs. I need to get this muff off. So what I'm going to use is to use a knife and easily pull this off. As you can see, pull it off. Now it's pulled. Look inside. This is the speaker. Here is the circuit board with its components. Now I'll be screwing out this with a Phillips screwdriver, and then I'll get down to this wire, the wire that would have the shortage. So when I get down to this wire, I'll try to diagnose where the shortage occur. So I'll get started. First, I'll need a screwdriver. You can see here, screwdriver, and the appropriate bit for it. So this is a Phillips screwdriver. First, we're gonna pull here. So pull. Remember, you don't need to throw your screws all over because you want to put it in a certain place, in a particular place where they can easily be found when needed. As again, I'm Master Tech 5234. So we get out this. Uh, watch this here. Um, oh, this is a button. So we get this button out. And get this out also. So this is like a speaker. Microphone, I mean, the microphone. Alright, I've pulled it apart. Now, as you can see, the circuit board and the muff alongside its component. Now, I need to find where in this line the shortage occur. So, in order to do that, it's feel if there's any breakage in between the wire. All right. If you guys questioning me about where is the battery located, the battery is located on this side. Reason being is that the battery cannot hold here, so they had to put it over here. So this one line runs along with the battery wire also. So it's around four pieces of wire in this conductor. Yeah, in this conductor. So finding where the issue wasn't that hard. Look, in between here, right in the middle, where this is put together, the one that actually bends, right on top here is where the breakage occur. So the breakage is between here, as you can see. Look, it's it's turned on. As you guys can see, it's blinking. So the breakage is right here. Now what I'm gonna do is to try cut here and to join them back together.